Hey everybody, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today we have a 10-minute beginner HIIT workout that is follow along with no burpees, low impact and super easy to follow. There will be 10 exercises. Each exercise will be 45 seconds followed by a 15-second breather. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new workout. After the video, leave me a comment and feedback down below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Let's get straight into the workout. First exercise, you're just going to jog on the spot. So we're going to take that in 3, 2, 1, go. So you're just going to jog on the spot. I want you to bring your elbows just to the side of yourself and just start to change the feet down to the floor, jogging. You kick legs up behind yourself if you want to. Let's just start to get the heart rate high. Maybe you've got hands a little shake out to the side. Maybe shake them out. Maybe shake them low. Just jog on the spot. Start to get that heart rate nice and high. So this is your HIIT workout today. I want you to give this absolutely everything. Let's make the change that you want this today. Keep going. Just gonna say it this morning then. This morning here. What time it is there? You have just another 7 more seconds here jogging on the spot, and then we're going to take a 15-second breather and I'm going to show you the next exercise. 2, 1, break there. Next thing you break, heel kicks. So you're going to bring the heels behind yourself, step side to side, elbows go behind. So we're going to take that in 4, in 3, 2, 1, go. So the heels, they come behind yourself and you're going to squeeze the elbows back and back and back. So you really want to squeeze heel into glute, heel to glute, like you're kicking yourself in the bum. Tell yourself to go that little bit faster today. If you want to pick up the pace, just step out faster, heel kick, heel kick. If you want to modify at any point today, just take these exercises a little bit slower. Squeeze, squeeze, now they are all low impact. Squeeze, squeeze. 15 seconds left to go. Squeeze that heel. Can you go a little bit faster? Can you squeeze that heel a little bit tighter? Keep going. You got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 15-second breather here. Next up, you're going to come down to the floor. You're on your knees and you're just going to drop to the forearms, lift back up. We're going to take this in 3, 2, 1, go. So you've got the knees down to the floor, hands under shoulders, drop to forearms, lift, 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 lower, lower. Then you want to keep those knees on the floor, lower, lower, lift, lift, keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, so we're going to use those arms, get into your shoulders, lift, lift, lower, lower, keep going. Inhale, whoo, exhale. Keep going, lift, lift, lower, lower. You've got 15 more seconds left to go. Can you take it up a notch? Maybe go faster, modification, take it a little bit slower. I am burning 2. You've got just another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. We're now going to go into some tricep dips. So I'm going to show you a modified tricep dip, heels on the floor, fingertips to heels, bend through the elbows, lift back up again. If you use the triceps, lift the tailbone up. Let's go. We go, bend, press, bend, press. Now it's really important here to think what you're doing. Are your fingertips down to your heels? Do not have your wrists out to the side or down to your wrists. You want to bend those elbows. Bend down, lift up. You're taking the weight of your body into your hands. If you want it that little bit more harder or somewhere to work to, tailbone off. We're going to take you down here today. We go for a bend, press. 15 more seconds here left to go. Inhale, exhale, keep breathing. Bend, lift up. You've got another 7 seconds here left to go. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, break there. Next up, we're going to go for a cycle catch. So you want to extend one leg out, just switch the legs here as fast as you can. Modification again, you're going to take it slower. Taking this in 3, in 2, in 1. Go, switch, switch, switch. So you're just sending the legs out in front of yourself. You want your head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Eye line towards your knees. So you're really engaging through those abdominals. Remember, if you want it harder, let's go faster. If you want it that little bit more modified, take it slower. If you can feel it in the neck, really make sure your chin is to your chest and you're grabbing underneath your thighs. Keep on going. We have another 15 more seconds and then you get a quick breather. Keep on pushing through. It is so worth it. 10 seconds here. How much fat can you melt today? How many calories can you burn from your body? 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Rock back, rock forwards. You're going to sweep yourself carefully round, tuck the toes under, roll yourself all the way up. Next up, I'm going to show you what we're doing. Tapping the toe, star shape. Tap, star shape. Let's go. 2, 1. Tap, lift up. So if you can't quite reach the toes, it's fine to take a little bend through both the knees. Again, this is at your own pace here, so we can go cardio sprint as fast as you can, or take it a little bit slower. It's up to you. But whatever you are doing, you want to give yourself maximum energy out to get the results that you really, really want. Do you want to speed up that metabolism? Tap, lift up, tap, lift up, keep going. You've just got another 10 more seconds here left to go. How many taps can you get in? Make sure you're bending through those knees if you need to. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Next up, squat with a kick. So we're going to squat, bend the knees, kick the foot forward. Squat, kick the foot forward. So you want it low. If you've got tight hamstrings, make sure you're bending down, sitting into that chair, lifting. 3, 2, 1, go. The heart rate, it's time to get up for me. You want to get that heart rate nice and high so you get into a calorie burning zone, into a fat burning zone. But you want to be giving it maximum input here to get your heart rate that high. Don't slack out. Keep going, join me. I'm in this with you. Drop down, kick, drop, kick everything you don't like about the day away. Some of you are like, push. Just kick them, keep going. 10 more seconds, get all your anger out. Don't do that in the street, disclaimer. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Breathe there. 15 seconds off. Next up, sumo run. So the feet go out, out, in. Just like that. Elbows stay to waist there. Breathe. In 2, 1, go. So you want to take this really fast. Imagine you're trying to run away from somebody, but you're not really going anywhere. But you're giving it your all anyway because you really want to get away. Keep going, you got 30 seconds here. Left we go. Out, out, in, out, in. Keep on going. You are so nearly done with your workout today, by the way. After this, you've got 2 more exercises left, and then your 10-minute hit is over and done with. Modification, slow it down, want it harder. Last bit of energy, speed it up. 10 seconds. Left we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, you've got it. 3, 2, 1. Next up, step to the side, tap behind, step, tap. Be careful of knees, you're not twisting too much through the knee. If it hurts your knee, just tap behind the foot, parallel. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is kind of like, you're at disco, you're on a night out, you're not really sure what moves to do, so you're doing this. Bit of a dab dance. Tap, such bad jokes today, Gabrielle. We go tap, tap. Can you speed it up a little bit more? Tap, tap, tap. So again, your workout today, low impact, no jumping. Just because you're not jumping doesn't mean you can get your heart rate really, really high and melt the fat and burn the calories like you want to. Just because you're not doing a burpee, also, same thing applies. You got 10 more seconds here left to go. Keep tapping behind. 6 more seconds here, and then you're into your last thing. My mat's going everywhere. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Last thing, my favourite, modified jacks. So just tap one foot. Hands go to the side. Last thing. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Go. Can you go? Turbo. Speed. Go out, in. Reaching those hands out to the side. How high can we get that heart rate here to finish off your workout? How badly do you want that brand new body Keep going, tap in, tap in, tap in. You've got this, you're so nearly done. 25 more seconds left to go, don't give up now. Out in, I'm burning just as much as you. Keep going, out in. We've got this, we've got just another 10 more seconds. Faster, you've got just 6, 5, it's over in 3, 2. Well done, nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath, exhale away. And don't forget to grab some water after this workout. Thank you for joining me in your 10-minute beginner HIIT class today. Any feedback, let me know underneath. Any comments, let me know underneath. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you absolutely loved it. I will see you again next time. Bye everybody.